What's up, guys? It's Barry Bomb back with another YouTube video. So today I already did the cabin filter replacement, so now I'm doing the intake air filter replacement. It's stupid easy, so I just thought I'd make a quick video for you guys who don't know how to do it. It's really easy, so here we go. Alright, so we're back with the 2012 SI, dirty as hell. Alright, this is the old filter that comes out. Looks clean, but it's actually really dirty. There's lots of bugs and nasty stuff on the intake, so yeah, this is what your car sucks up. So alright, I kind of expedite the process. I've already disconnected a lot of the fittings and stuff, so you can kind of see what we're doing here. Alright, so this is your intake on your K24 Z7. So what you're going to do is unscrew this screw. Once you unscrew it, you're going to lift this tab up right here. This little rubber tab. It's going to be like that. You're going to lift it up and pull the hose off. Once you do that, you can pull the hose off. You pull the hose off like this. So just literally pull it off. Kind of pull it to the side a little bit. And then what you're going to do is when you pull this to the side, you're going to come to your intake box. Intake's box has these little metal clamps right here. And what you're going to do is literally, these metal clamps, they're just like this. You pull them like that on both sides. One's right here too. So you pull that, and then pull this box off. Just be careful though not to rip off your sensors or anything like that. There we go. Alright, so just kind of pull it to the side here, kind of like that, so you can get your filter out. So right here, your filter would be laying on top of this little area right here. So what you do, pull it out literally, and then we have our OEM Honda filter. It's going to go back in, brand new. So just kind of fish it in there. This is all done with one hand, by the way. All right. I think we got it in there. Let's see. Alright. Make sure it's in there the right way, by the way. Alright, so we're going to slide it in there just like so. Boom. Alright, now it's in there. All you got to do, take your intake cover here, just kind of push it back on there. Make sure it seats in the grooves in the back, and then take your clamps. Clamp one, make sure it's seated on there, and then clamp two. So you're just gonna go boom, good to go there. Sensor's still intact, and then what you're gonna do is pull this pipe over the intake box. We'll make sure this tab is kind of out the way. So you can pull it off, but you're just going to push the intake pipe back on the intake box. Push it on there. It should seat up here. You'll see the little line. And then what you want to do, take this rubber tab, push it into the metal spot, and then tighten it down, and you're done. Simple as that. Look at that. All done. Very simple 2012 Civic SI air filter installation with one hand. So that's it. Alright guys, if you need any help or any questions, just ask. Barry Bomb out.